thutha wa minista wa ugitiri Ndagitari Fred Matiang'i kuga tekio kia maabitha borithi gia kurehe thayo wa gutura guko bururi-ini makiria riri twerekeire githurano-ini kinene kirahotomio ni ruhonge rwa igoti ruria rurekagiriria ekwirwo na njira roiga ati itari na kihariro. Munini wa president na batuni yake meyumiritie na kuga ati miario teno ni ya kwahura ruhonge rwa igoti na rungimiathikira ni undu ungithingithia muthingi wa thayo.
We expect that the judiciary will stand up to be counted as an independent institution and not to listen to any lectures from any quarters.
And let's be honest about this. Much as you're asking us to do our part, ask others also to do their part. But we can't have a situation where you're asking Mutyambai and it's frustrating for him.
Tuache kuigiza maneno ya serikali na polisi katika maneno ya siasa, kwa sababu hiyo ni kurudisha Kenya nyuma.
Makeria mathiko-ini ma Arthur Kinyanjui wa Kimani, murio wa mubunge wa Bahati Kimani wa Ngũnjiri kaunti-ini ya Naikuru, munini wa president na batuni yake moigite ati bururi umbikirwo gwati uri na hoti wa kuthinikania angikorwo honge cia batatarwo cirithania na rwa borithi ni cikuingirirwo na cihuthirwo gukinyaniria matanya ma andu amwe.
Please respect our judiciary. I have watched the last few days. There are cabinet ministers who have made the judiciary a punching bag. That because they are not convicting those they consider to be their political enemies, they want to turn the heat on our judiciary.
I was very sad when I saw my friend, Fred Matiang'i, who used to hustle with him before he became a minister, when he was ordering courts to give certain amount of punishment to politicians. When in true sense, it is the court. It was because the court gave orders that protected Mr. Matiang'i from being prosecuted on the Ruarara land case.
Atongoria karondo aria mekiritithanagia na munini wa president makoretwo makiumwo thutha ni macira matiganite maria makoretwo makinyitirira ati ni mamaigirira. No minister wa ugitiri Ndagitari Fred Matiang'i athiete na mbere na gutiterithia ati maabitha honge ciothe cia ugitiri makoretwo makiruta wira wao kihinyio na gutire mundu ukoretwo agikio ngono hatari na gitumi, indi mwaho wa Ruto unyitirire ati ruhonge rwa borithi rurahuthirwo kumaguoyohia.
We expect the IG to provide the leadership and the command that will ensure that we have a professional, independent police service that does not bend to political interests or partisan considerations.
Violence begets violence, and we should not condemn violence when it goes against us, and when it favors us, we clap.
Migwe ya mwaho wa Ruto kuma riria githurano kinini kia London giatabanirio ikoretwo ikirongorerio maabitha borithi aria maraugiririo makirwo ati mahuthirirwo kugeria guthoga githurano na moimirira ma wodi ya London kiria kiahotanirwo ni kiama kia UDA, indi ruhonge rwa ugitiri rukihatura thitango ici ruroiga ati rwarutire wira uria wabataire kurutwo muthenya ucio. Ribotera Inooro TV, Njĩtagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.